Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patan from Nanaji Vidyapith, standard 4th. So, students, today we'll start unit number 4. In that unit, we will start today worksheet number 17. That worksheet is complex word problems. Complex word problems, that means we have to do additions, either the subtractions, and then we will do the division. So, students, let's start that. For example, students, here is a question. The question is, Ram had 39 boxes of cans. These were to be divided among 13 workers. Each box contained 20 cans. How many cans will each workers receive? So students, what we have to do? First of all, we have to follow the Narrows method. In that, we have to find the numbers and keywords. Identify the numbers and keywords in these questions. So students, underline the numbers and keywords. So what we have to do in a questions, we have to do underline and the keywords. Ram had 39 boxes of cans. These were to be divided among 13 workers. Each box contained 20 cans. How many cans will each workers received? Okay, so number is 39 boxes, 20 cans, and keywords is divided. Now ask what they are asking in the question. So students, they are asking that how many cans will each workers received? Okay, step number 3 is draw for understand. So here we have to draw two boxes. In that we have to write 20 cans, 20, so on, 39, like that. Total number of the cans we have to write here. Then students, workers, 1 workers, 2, 3 and 13 workers is there. Step number 4 is the operation. So to find the total number of the cans, we cans we need to multiply, and to find the numbers to cans with each workers, we need to divide it. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? First of all, we have to do the multiplication and then we have to do the division. Now step number 5 is the solution. So students, solution is the total number of the cans is equal to 20 multiplied by 39. So answer is 718. Now 718 divided by 13. So answer is 16. Now students, look at here. 13 6 are 78. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. We have to bringing down 0. Division is not possible. We have to put here 0. So our answer is, the number of cans with each workers is 16. Got it, students? This one is a answer. Now students, you have to write the worksheet number 17 in your maths notebook. This worksheet you have to write in your maths notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, students. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet number 18. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 18. In that worksheet, solve the following questions in your notebook. These questions you have to do in your notebook. So students, here is a question number first is, a painter charged rupees 555 for material and rupees 25 for hours for labors. The total cost of the painting a room 980. How many hours did it take the painter to paint the room? Now students, a painter charged rupees 555 for material. मटेरियल का चार्जेस कितना है 555. ओके, एंड 25 पर आवर्स, 1 आवर का कितना है 25 रुपीज़. द कॉस्ट ऑफ द पेंटिंग अ रूम, पूरा रूम पेंट करने के लिए कॉस्ट कितना हुआ है 980. ओके, सो हियर हाउ मेनी आवर्स डिड इट टेक द पेंटर टू पेंट द रूम. पेंटर को रूम को पेंट करने में कितने आवर्स हुए, दैट हमें फाइंड करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्या करेंगे, टोटल कॉस्ट में से जो मटेरियल का चार्ज है, टोटल कॉस्ट इज 980, उसमें से हम क्या करेंगे, मटेरियल का जो चार्ज है उसको माइनस कर देंगे. ओके, 980 में से हम 555 माइनस करेंगे एंड देन जो आंसर आएगा उसके साथ हम 25 को डिवाइड करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दैट स्टूडेंट्स. So students, here we have to write standard 4th subject maths, standard 4th subject maths, unit number 3rd, worksheet number 18. First one question, step number 1, numbers and keywords we have to find. So students, number is rupees 555, painting charge, painter charge rupees 980, total cost. Okay, step number 2, ask what they are asking. The question they are asking that how many hours did it take the painter to paint the room. Step number 3, draw for understand. Here we have to draw 2 boxes. In that we have to write 555 minus 980. Okay, then we have to write again 2 boxes. One box we have to empty here, and then here we have to write 25. Okay, step number 4, operation. So here we have to do subtraction and division. Subtraction and division. Subtraction and division we have to do. Then students, step number 5 is a solution. Step number 5 is a solution. So first of all we have to do the subtraction. 980 minus 555. 0 minus 5 is possible? Not possible. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So students, we have to cut 8, write there 7, cut 5, cut 0, write here 10. 10 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Cut 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Remaining number is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here we have to write 5. 7 minus 5. 7 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Cut 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Remaining number is a 1 and 2. So here we have to write 2. 9 minus 5. 9 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Cut 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Remaining number is a 1 2 3 and 4. So here we have to write 4. Okay. So students, here 425. Now 425 divided by 25. So we have to do the division here. 25 divided by 425. 25 ones are 25. 25 2s are 15. So here we have to write 25 ones are 25. 2 minus 5 is not possible. Cut 4. Write here 3. Cut 2, write here 12. 12 minus 5. 12 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Cut 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Remain number is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So students, here we have to write 7. Now 3 minus 2. 3 on your finger. Cut 2. 1 and 2. Remain number is a 1. So here we have to write 1. Now we have to bringing down 5. So our next number is a 175. 25 sevens are 175. So students, 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is equal to, we have to write the answer here. Answer is equal to 17 hours. How many hours? 17 hours. Okay students. Now this one you have to write in your maths notebook. Now students, first of all I'll show you step number 1, first and second, that you have to write in your maths notebook. I'll give you a 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your writing work is complete. Now I'll show you next steps. Step number step number 3rd and 4th. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I'll show you last step number 5th. That step sum you have to write in your maths notebook students. Okay students, I hope so your writing work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Second one sum will start. So students, second one sum is for exam there are 3 sets of maths paper. मैथ्स के 3 सेट्स के पेपर थे, ठीक है. 120 ऑफ सेट 1, सेट 2 140, 140 of set 2 and 38 of set 3. If there are 14 teachers to check all the papers, how many papers can each each correct if divide equally. 3 टाइप्स के पेपर्स थे, ठीक है, 128, 140 एंड 38. सो ऑब्वियसली हमें ये सारे पेपर्स 14 टीचर्स के अकॉर्डिंग डिवाइड करने हैं इक्वली अमॉन्ग्स टू 14 टीचर्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू एडिशन हम लोग करेंगे एंड देन वी हैव टू डू द subtractions. Okay, so let's start students. We have to use the Narrow's method here. So students, step number 1, numbers and keywords. So number is 120 of set 1, 120 of set 2, 140 of set 2, 38 of set 3. Step number 2, ask. What they are asking the question, they are asked that how many paper can each correct if divide equally. Step number 3, draw for understand. So students, here we have to draw 3 boxes and then we have to do the plus sign over here. We have to write 128, 140 and 38. Then again we have to draw the 2 boxes. We have to put the division sign and here we have to write how many teachers are there, 14 teachers. So we have to write here 14. Step number 4, operation. So here we have to do the addition and division. Step number 5. Step number 5 is the solution. So students, solution. So here first of all we have to do the addition. 128, 140 and 38. 8 plus 4, 8 on your mind, 4 on your finger, 8 then 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 8, 12 on your mind, 8 on your finger, 12 then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So what we have to do students, we have to write here 0, 2 is a carryover, 2 plus 2, 2 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 2 then 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 4 on your mind, 1 on your finger, 4 then 5, 5 plus 3, 5 on your mind, 3 on your finger, 5 then 6, 7, 8. So here we have to write 8. 1 plus 1, 1 on your mind, 1 on your finger, that means 2. So here we have to write 2. Then we have to do the division. Here we have to write 280 divided by 14. 280 divided by 14. So let's start the division here. 280 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. 28, 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. We have to bringing down here 0. Division is not possible. We have to put here 0. So answer is equal to 280 divided by 40 is equal to 20. 20 is our correct answer. Okay students, now I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write step number 1 to 3rd in your maths notebook. 1 to 4th in your maths notebook students. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I'll show you a step number 5 that you have to write in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now students, here we are completed two sums, sum number A and B. Now your homework is you have to complete the sum number C and D. That one is your homework. Your homework is students, you have to complete the sum number C and D. That one is your homework. Only two sums you have to do in your maths notebook. Okay everyone, bye all of you. Have a nice day.